Hey friends, Ash here with Gents. Hope you're doing really well. Today I've got an announcement regarding my brand, Galleria Parfums. The Discovery Kit is about to go on sale. In case for some reason you're unaware of what a Discovery Kit is, basically it's gonna have samples of each fragrance in the initial lineup from the house. And in this video, I'm also gonna be giving away a full bottle, full presentation of this one, Cognac Cafe, which was perfumed by Sydney Lancecieux. So, let's jump into this. First off, I guess I'll go over the Discovery Kit and then go over the giveaway for the fragrance. So the Discovery Kit, like I said, is going to have samples of each of the 7 fragrances in the initial lineup. Each one of the 7 fragrances is an extrait de parfum. I've done a video on each one of the fragrances as well if you want to look those up. You could also go to the website, galleriaparfums.com, and there's information on each one of the fragrances there as well. As of right now, the plan is that these are going to go live for sale on the website at about midnight, maybe just a little bit past midnight, and that is midnight Eastern time. We tried to keep the pricing really competitive. It's going to be $40.99 if you're within the US for the entire Discovery Kit. And there's also going to be a little surprise inside there, a little card that's going to give you a coupon code, and you can use that toward purchases of bottles on the website. So basically, any fragrances that you really like, if you want to pick those up, you'll have a coupon code to save a whole bunch of money. So that's an added thank you for the support of the brand. Here are some pictures of the presentation of the Discovery Kit. As you can see there, it pretty closely mirrors the presentation of the full bottles. Now these are being advertised as 1.5 milliliter samples. So 1.5 milliliter of each one of the fragrances. Truth be told though, they're going to be filled to 3 milliliters. So you should get actually quite a lot more than you pay for. Let me explain why that is really quickly. It's pretty simple. I wanted to make sure everybody got exactly what they paid for. That's pretty much it. That's why they're filled up to 3 mils. Now you might be saying, well, that's actually technically double than what you're advertising, so that would be getting double what we pay for. The thing is though, sometimes these samples will leak a little bit in transit, and I wanted to kind of nip it in the bud. So if we fill it up to 3 milliliters and it leaks out half of a milliliter or something, you still got more than you paid for. But if we fill it up exactly to 1.5 mils and then we advertise it as 1.5 mils, and you do have the bad luck of getting one that leaks a little bit, you got less than you paid for. So that was kind of a meandering explanation, but basically most of you out there, probably like 98% of you, are gonna get 3 mils of each fragrance and come out ahead. But better that than having 2% of you out there come out with less than you paid for and then you're not happy at all. A lot of you have been asking for the Discovery Kits. Like I said, like way back when I first talked about it, they've been in production for a while. Originally, I thought there were gonna be about 500 ready to go, but now there are about 1,100. So hopefully that's gonna be enough that everybody can get one. So yeah, 1,100 Discovery Kits going for sale really soon. I was gonna say right now, but technically it's not right now, really soon. Scoop them up, see which fragrances you like, see which ones work best for you, use the discount code to pick them up. Everybody's happy, everybody wins. Because I really do think it's best to sample first. Again, huge shout out to everybody that bought on the pre-launch. I appreciate all the support. Now it's time for the people that waited back so that they could sample to be able to do that. And also a quick shout out to everybody that's been sending me emails and messages, letting me know how much they really enjoy the fragrances. That means a lot. I've gotten tons of messages through Instagram, through my email address, on Facebook as well, letting me know that they love this fragrance or that fragrance, and this one works really well, that one works really well, all that stuff. So I see it, I read it, and I appreciate each one of you out there that takes the time to send those to me. And that's gonna bring me to Cognac Cafe and the giveaway. Well, it's not this one, it's this still sealed one right here. So I've gotten a lot of messages from you guys that you love this fragrance, that it's got this nice gourmand edge to it, really nice coffee note, all that good stuff. I'm gonna show you the presentation, show you everything that you'll get, and then go over the giveaway. So here is the outer box of the fragrance. Each one of the fragrances obviously comes with its own outer box. You've got the name of the fragrance right up there at the top. As I said, each one of these is an extrait de parfum, and each one comes in a 100 ml size. And you have the Galleria Parfums logo on the box all the way around. more about the house right here on the back. And then we've got the box that the fragrance itself actually comes in. We've got the name of the house right here. It's got kind of a soft leather feel, and then name of the house right there as well. Opens up like so. And on the inside, you'll find a card, which has a little picture, which kind of is supposed to give you the feeling or the idea of the fragrance. Then on the back, the name of the fragrance, the perfumer, and the notes. So here you can see Sydney Lancashire, the perfumer. On the top, you've got coffee steam, almond, brown sugar, and licorice. In the mid, Indian papyrus, Neo-Caledonian sandalwood, African coffee absolute, and cognac. And in the base, barrel of cognac, Virginian cedarwood, vanilla amberwood, and Somalian myrrh. And there is the bottle. It's nice and heavy in the hand. Some people have actually said it's got a similarity to the Mancera bottle. I would say it does. It's taller than the Mancera bottle, it's thinner than the Mancera bottle, and thicker down at the base than the Mancera bottle, so it's gonna feel a lot heavier in your hand, but it does have a similar cylindrical kind of shape. And I did want a cylindrical shape because it fits really nicely in your hand. It's pretty easy to hold and spray. Sometimes with the square bottles, you end up holding it like this. I didn't really want that. I wanted something that was really easy to control, hence the shape here. We've got a heavy cap, does not click into place, slides snugly into place, as you can see. So you can pick it up from the cap if you need to. And it's got a pressurized atomizer, as you can see right there, right in my face. And then on the inside of the box, you've got satin right here. So the bottle sits inside the satin and sits in the box like that. This one is made for lovers of coffee fragrances. A little bit of a different take on coffee though. It's not a roast coffee. Very smooth. As I said, it's got kind of a steamed coffee feel to it with that coffee steam note in the top, obviously. You've got a good amount of sweetness in there. It's got a kind of a gourmand edge. Just really, really nice stuff from Sydney Lancashire. Also, some of the notes are the same with Black Phantom, and Sydney Lancashire did Black Phantom. This does not smell like Black Phantom, like at all. So just putting that out there because I know that some people thought maybe that it would be pretty similar. It's not. I know that some of the notes overlap and obviously the perfumer does, but the fragrance itself is like way different. So I've got this one right here, still sealed, as you can see. And it's gonna be everything that I showed you right here in here. And one of you can win it. So in order to qualify for the giveaway, you have to like the video, be subscribed to the channel, and I guess leave a comment below. Let me know which of these 7 fragrances in the initial 7 from Galleria Parfums that you want to smell the most or that you think you would like the most. Roughly 10 days from now, I'll choose a winner through random comment picker, and I'll ship this out to you. Just reach out and give me your info and you can have this. This one I've gotten a lot of positive feedback from, so if you like coffee, make sure to check it out. So there we go, guys. The Discovery sets, they have arrived, going for sale very soon or going on sale very soon. I'll leave a link in the description to the website. Make sure to pick one of those up if you want to check out the entire line, and then use that code and pick up whichever ones really speak to you. There's a lot more going on behind the scenes, even as of right now, actually has been for the last number of months. So there's more to come in the future. And hopefully you guys really enjoy the Discovery sets, find some stuff that you love, and can make some great memories wearing these fragrances in the future. One last thing before I forget, the fragrances from the pre-launch, they are still being shipped. I know that a lot of people have gotten their fragrances already, but some people haven't. They are still being shipped. They are supposed to be 100% completely shipped out, all of them, by the 21st. They actually went on the 3rd, and they gave tracking numbers to everybody, but they haven't shipped them all out yet. They've been going through it from the first purchases through. So the oldest purchases got it first, and then they've been working their way through. But they're supposed to have all of them out by the very latest at the 21st. I know it's really super frustrating for some of you out there because you've been sitting on a tracking code for a while. So I actually had a call about that today, trying to get that done, and hopefully you guys get it soon, all of you. All right, that's it for me. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Thanks for all your support. Stay safe out there. See you tomorrow with another fragrance video. See you guys.